Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a new makeup tutorial, and we are going to be focusing on our eyes today. So as many of you guys probably can tell, I have absolutely no eye makeup on. That is because in today's video, we are going to be doing the how I get my lashes very long. This is definitely a video that I get requested a lot here on my channel, but many of you probably do not know, if you are new here, that I have actually filmed this video. I'm going to guess it's maybe about 5-6 months ago, but that it has changed, like how I do my lashes now. So I'm always trying to find new ways to improve my lashes and make them look longer and thicker. So like I said, this video has been one that has most requested, and I always get questions about my lashes, so I figured I would just direct everything to this makeup video. So if you guys want to see how I make my lashes really long, and then be sure that you keep on watching. And I also wanted to add in that I am having a 300 subscriber giveaway here on my channel. I'm so thankful that I get to do another giveaway, because I love giving back to all of the people who support me, no matter if you're my friends here in my local hometown or if you're just somewhere across the world. So thank you for being subscribed to my channel. And I will be having a ColourPop Cosmetic palette giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away one of their eyeshadow palettes. Quite unsure of the one that I'm going to be giving away, but I'll be giving away a palette and then probably just a few other goodies from ColourPop. So I'm so excited, so thankful for the opportunity to continue to make YouTube videos, and I hope that I can touch one of you guys' lives. So that is all for this intro, and let's just hush and get into the video. Okay, so I do have y'all zoomed in. I know it's a little crazy and y'all can see all my flaws, but you know what? It's okay. So the first product that I always use is a eyelash primer. That is what works best for my eyes. A lot of people do use eyelash primers and a lot of people don't. So it's honestly whatever really honestly works for you. So the one that I use, this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Base. I have went through, Lord knows how many tubes I've went through, y'all. I have went through, I can't even tell you. I actually just picked up another one this past weekend because I loved it so much, and I figured that I'm probably going to run out of this really soon, so I probably should just stock up one more time. So that is what I use. This is about $8 at Ulta, probably maybe 6 or 7 at Walmart, so definitely affordable. It is drugstore, it's L'Oreal, so this is definitely something that everybody can afford. But the only thing, or the first thing that I do, is I prime my eyelids. Now sometimes I will curl my lashes, but that's not an always priority. If my lashes look a little down, like they are aiming down, then I sometimes will, but I actually took my makeup off earlier, so my lashes are still kind of curled. So we are going to go ahead and begin, and I just brush this on as if I am doing a mascara, because it does have the same wand as if you're doing your regular mascara. So nothing too crazy, nothing too different. Just use it as if you are applying mascara. Okay, and sometimes, and very rarely, I will actually put this on my bottom lash line, and that is just if I want to have more volume. So I guess for the sake of this video, I'll go ahead and do it, but a lot of times I actually do my lower lash line mascara first, and then I'll go back in with the primer into the top. I don't really know why I do that. I think I watched a beauty guru I don't know who I watched, but they did that, and it's just stuck with me ever since. So for the sake of this video, we're just going to do the bottom lash line. Now sometimes I will actually bring my eyeshadow down on my lash line, but I just finished up my makeup routine and I just forgot to do that, so we're not going to go back and do that. But that is a step that you can do just to make your eyes look more full. You can definitely bring the eyeshadow down to your lower lash line, but I forgot. So I'm going to let the bottom lash line dry. Now a lot of people, when they do this, they say not to let the primer dry, but honestly I have found that if I don't let it dry, the mascara just does not fit well, and it just does not sit that good on my lashes. So I always like to wait maybe 1 minute to 2 minutes until this is kind of semi-dry, and then I'll actually go in and apply my mascara. Now for mascara today, there's I think 1 or 2 high-end products, and there's one drugstore mascara that I love that I will show you guys that's very affordable, that you can buy at the drugstore, Walmart, anywhere. So we're going to continue to brush this as if we're doing our regular mascara. Now y'all guys can kind of already tell how lengthening and full that they're already looking. This product is a must-have, and it is honestly a game changer that I will always forever use. So we're going to do the other side. I hate the mouth. I hate what I do when I do my mascara. It's like, it's weird. So anyway, we're going to let this dry for about 2 minutes, and I'm gonna hop back on and show you guys how to do the rest of it. Okay, so what I always like to do is after I let the top dry, I will go back in and do my lower lash line first. Honestly, you guys, I don't know why I do the lower lash line first. Like I said a few minutes ago, it's just I watched somebody do it and it has forever changed me, and I would never not do that. Never. Yeah, I will always do this step. So I'm going to be taking, this is the, well, I always take this. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is by Maybelline, so it is drugstore and very affordable. I'm going to guess this was about $7-ish. Don't quote me on that. I will try and link all these products down below. There's maybe just 4 products that I'm going to mention in today's video. So definitely affordable, that you can buy pretty much anywhere. So I just continue to do the lower lash line. I had something on my lips. Okay, so we're going to work this on our bottom lash line, just as if we're going to just do regular mascara. And then sometimes I have to go back in. I'm almost out of this. I'm actually going to make a Ulta run probably this weekend. Oh, I should have went yesterday, but I didn't feel like it. So going to continue, guys. Look at that, like, no mascara. This is awesome. L'Oreal, please sponsor me. Just kidding, you guys. I love this mascara and primer. So I'm going to continue to work this. Trying to keep in frame, you guys. I never zoom in on my videos, so going to continue to work this. Okay, so I don't know, I don't think I've ever mentioned this in any of my videos, but this lash line is cranky. I do have really, really thin lashes, and so sometimes when I'm taking my makeup off, some of my lashes somehow get pulled, and I have a lot of like blank spaces on this lower lash line. So there's like lashes right here, and then it's all blank, and then there's lashes right here. So it's really weird. So like I never have been able, like, it's been maybe the past 3 months or so, like this lower lash line is really bad, and I never can really put a lot of mascara because it's just gonna look very clumpy, and I don't have a lot of lashes on that lash line. So I never, like I said, cannot do anything to that lash line because I have no eyelashes on there. So this is my better lash line, and I can make this one look more fuller. Okay, so we're going to move on to finishing our mascara, and we're going to be doing the top lash line, and one of my favorite mascaras. This is not drugstore, it is high-end. I believe it's like $27, but definitely worth your money if you do have that amount of money to spend on a good mascara. So this is the Lancome Monsieur Big. I absolutely love this mascara. I bought it at Sephora because I needed to buy something like over $25 to get something free, and so I was like, you know what, never tried this. So I've had this probably maybe 3 to 4 months. Absolutely love it. I haven't always used this every single day. I just actually went in my beauty collection. I was like, I'm gonna try that again, and so ever since I've been using this for about maybe 3 weeks. So absolutely love it. So I love actually the bristle on this that actually really gets your lashes and like really makes them long. So I love this about that. So we are going to dip into the tube, and we're going to do this eye first. Okay, so this is only one layer of that mascara. You guys can tell how good of a primer that it just makes your lashes so much longer and so much thicker looking. Like, if I did not use the primer, honestly, my lashes would not be looking like this right now. So, after I let this eye dry. Well, honestly, I continue to do this eye, and then once I let them dry, I'll go in with the Maybelline just to make them a little bit thicker and more fuller. So we're just going to continue to do this other eye off camera. This is only one layer of the Lancome mascara. We are going to now move on to the Maybelline Lash Sensational. And I do it the same thing that I do with the Lancome, is I just go over it a couple more times until I get the length and the volume that I am seeking to find. So that's just all I gotta do. I'm going to keep the bottom lash line alone because I'm actually really loving how it's turning out. So we're just going to go one more time into this one, and I just blink what times, and then I'll go down. And that just makes them a little bit more thicker when you just run your lashes through the comb maybe a couple times, and then let it go back down. It just adds just a little bit more of volume that I love. And then I always just do it with the other eye to like keep y'all in frame. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm going to let this dry, and then we're going to move on one more time, and it's actually the last time, with the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. Okay, so we're going to finish up our lashes. So we're going to be taking the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara, and we're going to be doing the same thing like we have been doing for the previous two mascaras, and all that we're going to be doing is layering it one more time just to make the lashes very thick and very full. And I love this mascara. I got it in a little a packet thing. It came in like a little thing for Black Friday. It was like one of Sephora's doorbusters, and so it came in like a pack of this, and then it came with a primer, and I think it was like the Hoola bronzer. I love it. So we're going to work this in. Y'all all enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new here, then be sure you subscribe to my channel because we are having a 300 subscriber giveaway. And all you have to do is just like this video, comment on any of my videos just telling me if you like it, or new video suggestions. And the more videos that you comment on, the extra entries that you have. So if you comment on all my videos, then you'll have like a lot more entries. So we're going to be giving away a one ColourPop Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and then some goodies from ColourPop Cosmetics as well. So if you're not subscribed, then you're going to be missing out on a chance to win something very good. So if y'all want to see any other makeup videos, then be sure you leave them down below. And that is all for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!